I need popcorners. Have you seen the Super Bowl ad? Oh my god, I need Walter White to just shove these down my mouth. When I saw this ad, all I could think was, and when I found out that they were air popped and not fried, I lost my mind. I drove right on over to grab a bag of popcorners as fast as I possibly could.
Oh. This isn't a bit. These are actually really good. Sponsor me.
And oh my god, like, I was diving headfirst into heaven. I was just...
These are the bomb!
I just can't stop imagining Walter White just his popcorn on my throat. I need his popcorners, and then Jesse could just walk in and his popcorn on my fucking throat, and then Tuco can just
Brothers, it's time.
Ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga.
The snack aisle is ours.
Yeah, finally.
I'd like you all to listen to this song I wrote in honor of my love for popcorners.
Oh my god, popcorners are here. Keeping it hot with some spicy kiss of cheer. Feeling the kettle corn all up in my tears. Tears from the sea salt all from a man walk. With my popcorner power, I'll be feeling pretty sour. Cream and onion with the cinnamon crunch. Should be feeling the punch of the sweet, sweet chili with the white cheddar willy. Oh!
If you subscribe, you will be guaranteed more beautiful content from yours truly. Thank you. This is the start of my music career.